Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Swiffy channel. Today we're going to bring you a bit of a simple guide, a refresher and actually some help for a lot of you regarding finding all the best free apps and hidden apps on your Firestick. Not all of them are free, but there will be free ones in there, but there's a lot of content, but you don't get shown it because Amazon, as they do, is they pay and sell certain locations to advertise apps. So there's a lot of apps you will not see, you'll just see the ones they want you to see. So we're going to show you how to do that. Before though, if you can and you have a second, do remember to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. We've got tons of videos on the channel for Firesticks and streaming, which I'll show you about later in the video. So today I am on my Firestick. Anything with this latest Firestick user interface layout will work the same. And what we're going to look for is some apps. And this will be different to everybody in different countries, okay? Over in America, you guys get a lot more apps. A hell of a lot more apps than we get here in the UK, but you won't be shown a lot of them. So what we need to do is find our app store, and when you're on your home screen you don't really get shown your app store very easily already. You're just getting shown Prime, Netflix, Prime, recommended, all their stuff. Okay, so that's your home screen. You can go to find. Let's get up there. Find. Here we have a little bit of an option of more things to search. So down here, it's going to put you straight away recommended categories, documents, films. You can think, oh, I want to watch films. You're going to click films. But again, it's going to take you to all the sponsored stuff. Prime, IMDb TV, which is owned by Amazon now. All in there. So that's no good, is it? What we need to do is go over to App Store. Okay, so this is App Store. And again, we'll go down featured. All the stuff which has been paid to be on that list, okay? So they've paid to be spotlighted. So we've got 6, 7 apps. Yeah, great. Not a lot going on there. We have games. If you want some games, again, they'll be paid featured ones again. And we have all categories. All categories is really important. But for us here in the UK, we don't have as much as a lot of you around the world. Some of you may have movies and TV, things like that. But once you're in all categories, you can now go and search what you want. So you can go to entertainment. And obviously the top few will be paid for. And then now you can see every app for entertainment which is on the device, okay? Every app. Have you seen me scrolling here? Every single app. It's, you know, you can search these apps if you know what you're looking for or if you've been guided to find an app. But entertainment. And majority will be free. Obviously some have free trials. The first few, as always, right at the top, will be the sponsored, paid to be here. Now TV, obviously pay to be at #1. YouTube, they pay for their position. But we can go down, you can try any of these. The movie channel. Okay, you can try it. You can literally have great fun in here. Okay, BTTV. Obviously that depends if you have your own app. You don't always have to sideload apps from us when you need the official apps. They are here. View TV, you can literally just open these up and try them. And once, if you don't like them afterwards, you can just remove them. Okay? Distro TV. Oh, Wicked Horrors. Do you like your horrors? Bollywood movies. But you wouldn't know to find these unless you went to this certain area because all they do is push the other ones. I know to some of you this might seem quite simple, but there's a lot of people who are beginners which we like to help on this channel. And that's what it's about. News. We get a fair bit of news here in the UK. Different news channels, but you might not be from the UK and you might want news from other countries, or you might just want other countries' news. And look at all these news channels you wouldn't even know were in here unless you searched. So you might find your local news here. Again, you'll have a couple of sponsored ones at the top. Obviously Sky News will be sponsored. Fox News, I'm sure. But you can install these and get your news straight on your device. To install any of them, Euronews Dutch, you click it, get free to download it, and there you go. On Amazon Fire TV brings you the daily dose of international news. Perfect. Again, you might want cooking. Loads of stuff here to help you cook. Okay. You've got health and fitness if you want to do exercise. You don't need to do it all via Netflix or anything like that. There's loads of stuff in here. There's yoga, iFit, Dr. Pimple Popper, not for me. All hidden in here you wouldn't know about. Sports. Again, all your sports channels. Some of these will be paid for channels. BT Sport, obviously, you'll need an account. That's why they're sponsored at the top. DAZN shows a lot of content. We can possibly do a video on DAZN later in the year, well, later in the next few weeks, regarding accessing from different countries so you get different content. But again, further down, you'll see loads of sports channels, all officially installed already on your device, and you can just open them up and use them. So again, to get to this, from our home screen, you can obviously either find and type search if you know the app you're looking for. If not, you can go to App Store. Okay. Again, do not go to App Library, Featured, or Games. Ignore that. Get to your all categories. Okay. This way you will find everything. And as we showed, there's so much in there. You might want some music to listen to. Again, sponsored couple at the beginning: BBC Sound, Spotify, Amazon Music, and then we're in. Loads of stuff. We've got radio, music. Some of it will be rubbish. Don't get me wrong. Guitar school. Learn to play guitar. All in it. Ice cream truck music. But it might entertain the kids, you know. Have a good look around and see what you find. And you will find tons of content in there. Which will be... You don't need to go to my website for. You don't need to download an app installer. You can literally get it on the Firestick. Firesticks are, you know, they're not an expensive device, and the more stuff you can put on it for free. And remember, if you're installing stuff directly from the Firestick, when you're not using it, you can easily uninstall it because it's easy to put back on again. Okay, so if you're running short on storage or anything like that, you can just install it, uninstall it, and then put it back on again. It's not a problem. That's the good thing about anything you can do directly on the Firestick. Okay, anything directly on the Firestick. Right. As stated before you leave though, guys, if you want to, let me find it. All my channel has loads of other content for you, for your videos and for your streaming. So we've got changing the look of your Firestick. We've got setting it up, jailbreaking in a way. Stuff about your Netflix settings, fixing icons, setting up, streaming, virus removal, buffering, all there. So follow the link underneath to my, well, you're on my channel. Check out the other videos, hit that subscribe. And also a quick word from one of our partners directly underneath. To stay safe on your Firestick, it is recommended to use a VPN, as well as using VPNs on your computers, your PCs. IPVanish is a partner of ours, so this is an affiliated link. If you wanted to help support the channel, follow the link underneath and get yourself some security. Obviously, this is optional. We recommend it for online safety, internet privacy, simplified data protection. But again, my opinion on that one. But the link is directly underneath. Brilliant. So, let's get out of here. I've been Doc Squiffy. Hope that was helpful. Again, some of you all knew how to do this. We know. We got experts. We got whiz kids. But there's a lot of people who come to my channel trying to set up and find the content they want. So I hope that helped. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. And I'll see you soon.